Alright guys, so I was riding the TTR 90 here, and I don't know what happened. I just shifted. I was like shifting it really hard, I guess, and the chain just popped off. So I looked at it, and this was like almost about to come off. And the other side, there was nothing on here. So we're gonna try to find a bolt for that in our bolt bin, and then we're gonna fix it, put the chain back on, and it should be good to ride. So we just got the chain on. It was, I don't know what's going on, because when I pull this thing, I can't really like, here look, if I pull it the whole way back, it's the whole way back right now, and it's still like loose. So I don't know, maybe if I tighten the whole thing up, it'll probably work better. There, it's getting a little tighter, I don't know, but we'll see. Alright guys, so I found a little bolt here. It fits it nice, and I got a washer on here. I still need to find another bolt for now. I'm just going to put this on here. The other side has another bolt. I don't know. Whoops. Yeah, I think these just keep it like tight. I got the chain. It tightened up pretty good. And I think it'll be good to ride. So I'm just going to tighten up everything, and then I'll get a video of us riding it. You got the chain back on. Everything's tightened up. That might be actually a little tight, but I think maybe when we ride it, I feel like it might get tighter, but it'd probably get loose. But we got everything tightened up on this side. Everything's good. I'm gonna take it for a spin real quick, and yeah, tell me guys what you think happened when the chain came off. I don't know what happened, but yeah. Baby, come here. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Her eyes, like, when we gave her a bath the other day, her eye got like soap in it, and she's like squinting. I don't know.